Marvel refrigerator model Marvel 744993 error codes. Marvel 60-inch built-in side-by-side refrigerator column set with MP30RA2 LP 30-inch left hinge refrigerator and MP30FA2RP 30-inch right hinge freezer in panel ready. Error codes. Code E1. Problem: temperature sensor fault. If the controller detects that the temperature sensor is not properly functioning, a temperature sensor alarm will sound. E1 will flash on the display, and an alarm will sound. Code CL. Problem: condenser needs cleaning. When the refrigerator has reached the recommended amount of runtime for a condenser cleaning, CL will flash on the display as a reminder to clean the condenser.